So the hair that I'm about to show you guys is the Outre Perfect Hairline fully hand tied 13x6 lace wig in the style Karina. It looks like Karina, and I got the color 1B. And it says that it's fully hand tied, like I said, no plucking required. It has baby hairs. It has a 6-inch parting, soft Swiss lace, adjustable wide elastic band, and a heat styling friendly. Alright. This is what the hair looks like fresh out the pack. Wow, it feels really nice. This is what the hairline looks like. You could see. Has the 2 combs in the front, one in the back. It has the adjustable straps, and it has the elastic bands. I think that's so cool. Like, it literally came like that. Okay, so my hairline is really different, but look at this. Actually not that bad. Definitely has little baby hairs. I think I might cut a little bit just so it could be more natural of a length. It's like, y'all see that? Oh my god. This looks like relaxed hair. Let's see different parts. So I might put some powder underneath the cap just to kind of disguise the parting a little bit. I have my Laura Mercier powder. And you grab a mascara you're not using, and you just lightly put it around the edges where you might have gotten makeup on, the actual hair, and you just do that. And it makes it look a lot more realistic. Again, because I have a widow's peak and my hairline is a little weird, we're going to do that trick that I showed you in a couple other videos before. So we're going to use my eyeliner pencil and just fill in the lace, make it a little dark, so I could blend in with my hair, and then just rub it in. And if you feel like you put too much, just put some powder. But you see how right here, it actually looks really natural. So I'm just going to keep filling it in until you can't really see the lace. So the unit says it comes with baby hair, so let's explore that. Because I know when I straighten my natural hair, I have a lot of like little baby hairs like that, just all along the front of my hair. Alright, let's see how much degrees it could take. Up to 400 degrees. Perfect. Straightening, I'm going to use the HSI Professional Argan Oil Hairspray. I like to use this when I'm straightening units, just because, like, fake hair could get damaged too. And especially synthetic hair, you don't want it to start getting all hard and ratchet looking. So this is how my natural hair straightening would lay. So I like this side better than this side though. But anyway, so to cut the shine, I usually use baby powder, but since I don't have it on hand, I'm going to use my RCMA powder. Like that. And just run it through the hair. It cuts the shine. Let's see here. Oh my god, it looks so much better. Okay, I'll tell you how I feel after. But yeah, this is it with the powder, and this is it without the powder. You see how much shinier it is? Alright, so what are my concluding thoughts on this hair? So again, this is the Outre Perfect Hairline lace front in the style Karina 13x6 fully hand tied lace wig in the color 1B. And my conclusions is that I freaking love it. It feels amazing. Let's start with that. Did I mention the price? I don't remember. I'm gonna put it on the screen. My bad. I forgot to mention how much it was, but it was pretty affordable. The texture is really nice after putting some powder on it. I think it looks just like my hair straightened, like fully like fresh straight. Like, this is gorgeous. The hairline was really nice. Of course, like I always mention, my hairline is so weird because I have a widow's peak, but the fact that you could barely even see where the lace is. I have my baby hairs here, but I also created some. Like, this looks really good. So I could always do the flip over method if I really wanted to. Actually, I would have to do a little bit more, but you get the point. Like, I could do it. You could part this anywhere you want. So here it does get a little bit smaller as you get to the edges, but who's really parting it here? Like, you see, you can't really part there, but you can pretty much part wherever you want. It feels super lightweight. I like that it comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, and the elastic band. Like, usually you have to sew those in yourself, and the fact that it comes with it is like freaking amazing. I don't know. I know that I'm in love with this wig. This is about to be my fall wig. Alright guys, so I hope this was super helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.